Okay, whilst the smoker's warming up, let me just show you a small little upgrade I made to my catch box here. There we go. Keeps the rain out, and it just makes sure it keeps my targets and the back thing dry, because when it's coming in sideways everything gets wet, which means my balls rust, pardon me, and it's not generally that good. So it seemed like a quick, easy, cheap upgrade. Okay, whilst the meat is cooking, I've got the Skeleighton V2 out. I've just rebanded it, got some fresh 22 to 12 tapered, precise cyans, and these are my favourite bands. I'm really enjoying these. These are 0.5s. I've also got my double sight thing going there, and I'm just going to take a few shots whilst we're cooking. Right, that'll do for the minute. I'll go check on the meat, give it a spritz. Back in a minute. Okay, we're about 2.5 hours in and things are starting to plateau. If you have a look on the graph here from meter, you'll see things are plateauing. It's time to wrap this thing up and get it in some foil, and that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to try and reach around and do it like this with the camera and everything in front of me. So excuse me if I'm a bit fumbly. Okay, we've got about another hour and a half on the meat, so it's getting kind of dark. It's now 7:45 on a Saturday night, and it's dark. It's now March, nearly April, so it's much colder, and I can't really shoot. I mean, look at the targets. So I've set up for night mode, and this isn't a real experiment because I've got no idea how this is going to work. Okay, so this is normal, and this is night mode. Wish me luck that I don't actually shoot my phone. The hardest part with shooting in the dark is actually seeing your own catapult sight on the end of the fork. That's the tough bit. Seeing the target when it's lit up like that is no problem, and you get silhouetting and other problems, depth perception stuff. So got to really hope I don't hit the phone. Fingers crossed. Right, wish me luck. Let's do this. Okay. I've just taken some shots off camera, and this is just not easy. I've got a light on now, it should make life a lot easier. And I've also got the Spitfire with the holes in the sights, the double sights, which might make it easy to see through. I'm making no guarantees. This is shooting in the dark. Welcome to the channel. Oh, that was close. Okay, I can do. It's a lot harder to see all the bits that you need to see, or you want to see to check when you're a kind of a beginner like me, or intermediate, whatever you want to call me. I don't know what I am, just not a complete newbie. That's it, just keep talking, Nick. That'll do it. Oh, fuck me. Shit, it's too cold. I keep slipping on the pouch, which is a nightmare. I'm going to put another window out, and I've already done 2, and I've only got 1 left. Fucking hell, this is dangerous. Oh, I'll tell you something though, the meat smells incredible. And this here is 10 meters, 33 feet.